So after I finish this little project, I don't look up other YouTube videos or research how to do this stuff. That's not the fun part for me. The fun part is trying to figure it out on my own. So if it's really the most efficient and cost efficient and right way to do it, I don't know. It works for me and they're fun little projects. But what I realized was that after looking at this, that I could easily add a second speed controller to this. So what we're gonna do here is we're gonna take the negative off of 87A here on this relay, and we're gonna replace it with the blue wire, which I have extended here on a black wire off the other speed controller. Okay, we're gonna put that on an 87A. All right, so then we just need to get positive to this red lead, which we're just gonna piggyback here from the other one. Okay, so that'll be slightly different from the original one. And then the negative on this other speed controller, we just go parallel into the negative way of all the other stuff. Okay, and that's really all I had to change to make this work. So you can see these are both off. That's one thing I noticed, these knobs aren't aligned correctly. But let's turn that one on a little bit. Let's turn that one on a lot of bit. And then you can see here, now we have full speed control in both directions. So extend, let's slow that one down. We'll speed the other one up. So extend is gonna be slower now, and the retract side is gonna be quicker. Okay, so the reason I didn't do two speed controls to begin with is because I wasn't even sure how I was gonna make it work. I just bought the speed controller and thought I'll just figure it out. And then after it was built, I started looking at it and thought the second speed controls are not that difficult at all. Like I said, we removed that from 87A and we replaced it with the speed control blue wire. So we did have to expand this Wago connection here a little bit, so both of the speed controller's positive side goes to here. Just jump to the other one and then just paralleled with the negative. So kind of the difference there's mostly on the negative circuit, so we're replacing this off our first diagram and replacing it with that to 87A. Right, so the other thing that's happening is we've added another one here, so we have to supply the negative power from this over to here. And on the positive, I just added another spot to parallel it. So you can see here, I just had another spot to parallel some positive power to feed the second one here. So this doesn't change too much. When we have this side of the switch closed, we're still closing 87 to 30, so we energize the relay here, which closes these two contacts. So this part's still the same. So if we look here, this is still the same. We're still going to put positive here. This is the side that changes a little bit because this just went to the negative side, 87A. These two relays don't change state, so these two contacts are connected. But with the speed control added, right, this part all stays the same. We're still not gonna change the state of these two relays, But now the negative to the motor is coming from the speed controller. So that's all that's happened. So it's real simple with this scenario to add a second controller.